I look tan.
You do.
You
look
are
tan.
so tan, girl.
I know. What the heck?
It's all right. We white
That's
are.
the most tan you've ever been in your life.
I know. I'm going to tan bed and laying out.
So doubling up on the skin cancer.
Right,
Got
right.
it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. I have two guests with me today. I have my little sister Kimberly and my little sister Rebecca. And if you can't tell, they're twins. And I decided for this sister tag video to see which one of them knows me better. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No, I looked through your makeup, so I got this.
She's been studying.
Her makeup.
And her do that. I just did. That's why I was in the bathroom.
Oh, that's pretty funny. Okay, so before we start, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and that way you can follow us here at the Hebert house. We do videos on cleaning, organizing, family life, our infertility journey, and trying to conceive, and obviously lots of family vlogs like this. So I am one of 5 girls, and if you hear our kids in the background, it's because collectively between the 3 of us, we have how many?
Oh god.
4, 3, 7, 8 kids, and they're all out there.
And they're all good, don't worry. The screaming, they're just playing.
Brooks is watching them.
Yeah. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of this craziness here at the Hebert house. So the way we're gonna do this is I have a list of questions on my phone, and I'm gonna ask them, and then I'm just gonna tally up which one of them knows me better. So we have taken votes, and it seems like everyone thinks that Rebecca is going to win. So what do you guys think? Who do you think knows me better?
Kimberly, because she lives here.
Okay, ready? All right, so the way this is gonna work is I will tell them this or that. They will have to say which one they think it is. If they both get it right, then they both get a point. If they both get it wrong, nobody gets a point, and so on and so forth. So, are y'all ready?
Yeah, she's cheating.
You're reading the questions?
No, there's no answers on them.
There are
I
many
didn't go
answers.
through her
Yeah, but you already know the questions now.
No, I don't. And no, I said look at her eyes. Her facial expression, I'll tell us.
Okay. First question: breakfast or no breakfast?
Breakfast.
Do we do now or in the past?
Oh, that's true.
Because you're no breakfast.
Okay, so I might actually have to give both of them this because we actually were just talking about this, which is funny. I used to not eat breakfast ever, and now I do. So unfortunately, I think I may have to give them both that one. All right, hot dogs or hamburgers?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. I just
Hot
feel
dogs.
Well, again, hot dogs.
I actually am a hot dog person. I'd rather have hot dogs.
Yes, but I was going by our talk from earlier too, so.
I was going by what we ate tonight.
We did have hot dogs.
Twice I've had hot dogs with her.
Well, it's easy. There's so many of us.
I like hamburgers.
Well, next time I guess we'll have hamburgers.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, do I air dry my hair or use a hair dryer?
Air dry.
Air dry.
Wrong! I use a hair dryer, unless I'm doing it curly. But 90% of the time I use a hair dryer.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
because
used
it's
to
frizzy, y'all.
I know, right?
Yeah. Then I learned how to tame these locks.
Right? Jeez.
I need to have the like buzzer from Taboo. Okay, matching socks or mismatched
Oh my
socks?
gosh, like,
Matching.
I'm gonna say mismatch because back in the day she didn't care.
Definitely matching. I think I would probably lose my mind knowing all day that my
that's
socks are
true.
mismatched.
Yeah,
maybe
she's
that
like
was
freaking OCD. No, that's me. I don't care what my
Elizabeth did wear mismatched socks.
Yeah, she did.
She would just grab 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that always drove me nuts.
Oh, I do.
Definitely a matched sock person. Okay, flip-flops or sneakers?
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
Okay, they both got that. I never wear tennis shoes ever. Like ever. Unless I'm like exercising, which is never. Okay, bright colors or neutrals? Y'all are acting like I'm like totally predictable here.
Yeah, you are.
Oh man. All right, baseball or football?
Football. Football.
Yep. Y'all
Even
know
though
that.
she likes to go to the baseball games.
I do like to go to baseball games.
That's just
Because she just likes to go just to the...
I just like to go get the hot dogs.
Right?
Let's be honest.
She likes to go to
Okay,
the
this
stadium.
one may actually stump them. Bowling or putt-putt? You first.
Putt-putt.
Putt-putt.
Bowling.
Bowling! Putt-putt is way too hot. Way too
You
hot.
go all the time with the kids, with Bobby.
Well, yeah, I go, but it's not my favorite.
Oh.
And that's just because we have free passes.
Oh.
Anything for a deal. This one's pretty easy. Video games or board games?
Board games.
Board games.
For
Life.
100%. Okay, would I rather drive somewhere or take a plane somewhere?
Drive.
Car.
Yep. Gosh, y'all are acting like I'm like super predictable. All right, the mountains or the beach?
Mountains.
I should have picked harder questions, apparently. Okay, sunshine or storms?
We like storms.
Yeah.
Storms.
I think sunshine.
Nope, I love it when it storms.
She texts us.
I think all of us are like that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and when the forecaster says it's gonna rain and it doesn't, I get very sad.
Me too.
Right?
I
It
get
makes
upset
me
when
so
it's not-
sad.
I get upset when they're like, oh, it's a bad thunderstorm, might get a tornado, and then it doesn't happen. I'm
It's
like,
nothing.
what? I know. I'm
Yeah.
like, you're stupid.
Alright.
Did I
I
see a
didn't
piece
get
of
that one
gray hair
right,
in your
so.
hair?
Oh, you didn't. Yes, there's gray in my hair. Stop.
That's
It's
from
just
you.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it says Kimberly on it. No, there's a lot in there. I haven't had my
I
hair
only
done
see
in a
one.
long time.
Oh, it's only, I only saw one.
Little sisters.
I have a piece. It's from my students.
All right, a mansion or a farmhouse?
Farmhouse.
Yep. Okay, cat or dog?
Dog. Gosh, a wiener dog.
Yes. All right. Stay home or go out?
Stay home.
Y'all, this is
hates
if this
going
is
out.
like nothing, it's definitely showing that I am so predictable. I need to like shake it up a little bit and like
No, you good.
do something crazy. Maybe I'll go like skydiving. No, I won't. I'm totally not going skydiving.
You just come visit me and
That might
call it
be.
a day.
Yes. All right. Cookies or cake? This one might be hard.
Yep. Cake. Cookies.
Cookies. Definitely a cookies person. Why
I
don't
didn't even know
I
that.
totally just typed cookies and not cake.
Becca didn't, she just guessed.
Well, duh. If you don't know, I just did the one you don't say. One of us is bound to get it right.
Oh my gosh, see, this is not true. Who knows Lila best?
Well,
I know her
now you
best.
both know. The next time y'all better bring me some cookies.
Right.
And you should know that because I always ask you to bring cookies.
And you didn't bring it this time.
I know I did.
Oh, we're eating
I should.
s'mores.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll make you a cake for your birthday.
A cookie cake?
I am now.
Yes. All right. Am I a morning person or an evening person?
Morning.
Morning.
Wrong. Y'all hate mornings.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but you like you.
But you're usually peppy in the morning and tired in
she's
the
an
evening.
all-day person.
Yeah.
She's the middle of the day.
Right?
Not really, truly.
Yeah. I definitely
I'm a
think
evening.
that I am more of a evening person.
Yeah, me too. I'm not morning.
Okay. Would I rather read the book or watch the movie?
Read the book. She just started reading. She reads Magnolias.
But she wouldn't. Movie.
Wrong. I'm definitely a book person.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you the last movie I saw.
Oh.
The last movie I saw in a theater was The Princess Bride that came out in like the
Oh my
80s.
gosh.
Because they had a retro movie.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
So that was Kimberly.
Yeah, but you watch them though, right?
Sometimes.
Sometimes
My
she likes to
attention
read.
span doesn't really allow for me to watch a lot of movies. All right.
She can read
Coke
the
or
book.
Pepsi?
Oh gosh.
Neither. Cause
Coke.
you can't have it.
Well, when I could have it, Coke or Pepsi.
Coke, because you told me to get a Coke. But it could be Pepsi. I don't know.
Look at me now.
Right? She's like, maybe.
A lot of people down here
I
like
think
Coke,
I got
though. Coke because Coke was on
Pepsi.
I'm definitely a Coke girl.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Us Southerners, we have to have our Coke.
Right?
Yeah.
We
Pepsi's
can't do
only
the whole
good in the tap.
Pepsi thing or
Pepsi's
the
good in the
pop
tap.
thing.
Yeah.
Coke is
I
good
like Pepsi
in the can.
all the way.
I don't like Pepsi in a can, but I like Coke in a can. I like Pepsi in the
I like
in
Dr.
the
Pepper.
fountain. I like Dr. Pepper.
All right, last one. Chocolate or vanilla?
Oh gosh, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, for sure. All right, so obviously I'm very predictable, but contrary to everyone's belief, Kimberly knows me better.
Mommy said I knew you better, right?
Yeah, look at all the
got
K's.
two.
She got a bunch. The only one.
Wait, what about the? Oh, we both got that one wrong.
Yeah, the only one that you got right was bowling.
No, Grant, by myself, I got right.
Yes. But
We really both know we love that.
yeah, they do. My sisters and I have a sister text, and so we pretty much are open books.
Yeah.
There's not a whole lot that either one of us, any of us have done that we don't know
And I'm
a lot
I
about.
know, right?
All right, so to end this, I wanted to do one little thing that isn't a this or that. I just wanted me to tell them my favorite thing about them, and for them to tell me their favorite thing about me. Some little sister love, if you will. So I'll start. My favorite thing about Rebecca is that she does not care what other people think. She does her, she lives her life, and she is very strong in her beliefs and stands by what she believes, and I love that about her. What I love about Kimberly is Kimberly loves really, really hard. Like, she doesn't hold herself back when she loves somebody or something, and especially our little baby Everett. Well, both of them did, but Kimberly especially was just crazy about him. So they both love very hard, but Kimberly loves super hard. Rebecca is super strong. So, what do you love about me?
I'm just kidding. What did she say?
Not the,
Love it.
I don't know. I love
Everything.
the fact that I know, right? Like,
I wish I could spend more time with Layla. We always wanted her to be there with us.
I know.
Oh my gosh, when she left, had to go home.
Yep.
Sad.
I didn't live with them until high school.
Yeah, it's your personality, your bubbly
Yes.
personality. You're always happy.
We
You're
never
fun.
wanted her. Yeah, we never wanted her to leave the house.
Yeah.
Oh,
And now I
Camping.
really like her sense of style.
Yeah.
She does
I
great
love-
with her
yeah,
house
she's so
stuff.
good.
Like, oh yeah.
that
With
does make
her,
me feel good about
with her
myself.
Yes. She
So
does
can't wait
everything.
for her to have another baby.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
All right, so that is our sister tag video. It looks like Kimberly knows me just a little bit better than Becca, but you know what? That's okay. We're still learning everything about each other, and we're obviously best friends, and that's what best friends do. So from Leela, Kimbo, and Beck Booty, we'll see you guys again. God bless.